Howdy, neighbors. I've got a dragonfly and what sounds like a hawk right over here. Huh. Almost sounds like he's right down at the pond. It was 112 in the van yesterday. Supposed to be even hotter today. Alright, whoever's making that noise, show yourself. And I don't mean the flies. Yeah, the dragonflies come back when it gets hot. And over the years, we've watched them laying eggs in the pond a lot. I spent yesterday afternoon and the day before down at the trailer. Excuse me. I just turned the cooler on and watch stuff on my tablet. Oh, I see a cat walking around. Neighbor lady has cats that she feeds. Wild cats. Hey. Where'd you go? That quick. It was. Where am I? It was way over there at the near the junk pile. Let's see what else is going on. Nothing on the sales front. I haven't heard another word. Which is typical. Look at all the weeds that have grown back up. That's the bad thing about watering everything. That means it keeps growing here. Good morning. How are you today? I had this water line on for about 5 hours last night, soaking everything. And I'm probably going to turn the one on behind me, which is the tree line along the road. I'm so tempted to just pack everything up and head for the hills, but it's in the 90s up in the hills. I still need to do a bunch of stuff to the van, like fix the leaking carburetor. Oh my god. Boy, up where I used to live in Washington, it's in the 90s up there too. They look like they're having a bad time. And there's already fires going on in California. And we've got excessive heat warnings through 11 p.m. tonight. Triple digit high temperatures, potential for heat related illness. Jeez. Only going to get to 73 in Eureka today. The guy over on the coast that brought the stuff over to me, Mike, brought the new windshield gasket and a few other things for me. He said it was 90 at his place yesterday in Eureka. I keep thinking, right now, where in the heck would you go to get coolness? I keep thinking, well, I'll probably go up into Colorado maybe. Or just go way up into the mountains here and get up as high as I can. Or go to the coast. Even Oregon looks like it was getting warm. Plus, they got rain. That'd be a good change of pace. I could go over with Mikey. Mike. Over on the East Coast, up on the Appalachian Trail in the hills. He's been going through a bit of a cold spell. I definitely don't want to go down and visit Miss Carolyn. It was 57 this morning right here. And granted, it's supposed to get to 105 today. But, like right now, let me see what the temperature shows here. Find a spot. Well, I'm showing 84, but that's inside. 81. The floor, 73. The ground out there, 70 degrees. So, it's supposed to be like 80 something by 9. So it's definitely, it gets warm. Gotta be. What are you doing? Just want to be on camera? Yeah, where Carolyn's at down there in the southwest, it's 104, 105, but gets down to 85 or so at night. At least it cools off here. I don't have to run the air conditioning continuously. Dragonflies are so small, I don't even know if I could zoom in enough to find him. Come out wherever you are. I wish I'd get over here. So I'm just doing what I usually do in the mornings here, and that's just sitting watching the birds, listening to them, listening to everything start, because, there's no vehicle traffic here to speak of. I don't even know if any vehicle has driven past in the whole time I've been doing this video. Oh, while I'm in the house, I keep boxing things. I went and bought some brand new boxes at Home Depot so I could box stuff up. I have a few extra for when my daughter and her husband finally decide to show up and pack things up. What are you doing over here, B? There's nothing here. Unless it's after my coffee. Yeah, I'm probably going to have to try and fix everything tomorrow morning, and well, I know I'll be able to fix it. I just got to tighten up a loose screw on top of the carburetor. Oh, I was telling when Mike was here, he was looking at the motor, and I fired it up, and he was listening to it, and sure enough, I told him about the carburetor being bad, and the damn thing started leaking. But when it's so hot, you just don't want to work on a motor inside the van, because it's literally, my left arm is sitting on the van right now, basically, or the motor right now, basically. If I had a Wii Boost here, and my plan is to have one eventually for being out camping, I'm positive I could park down at the house and get really good internet down there, because I can sit with my tablet on the west porch just outside the sliding glass door. And with the cooler going and the sliding glass door going open, I sit right there and I can watch YouTube videos, and I get messages in and out, but they come and go. I get service for, 2 minutes, and then gone for 30 seconds, and then gone for a minute or two, and then back again for another 3, 4, 5 minutes. Completely different than up here. Well, I guess that's enough for now. You got to watch the birds, listen to me mumble. Just another day in paradise. Yeah, I gotta get to town. I've been out of beer for a week. It's ridiculous. Nuthatches fighting with each other. Those are such handsome birds. Okay. Y'all stay safe out there and stay cool.